Hey guys, I made a commitment to you that I was going to tell you about the stuff I actually use, and this is something I really use. It's called the Primal Life Organics Real White System. And what it does is it treats your teeth and your gums using a combination of red and blue LED light. You don't want to stare in blue LED lights, but blue does amazing things for bacteria in your mouth, and red does amazing things for your gums. So what you do is, okay, I can't really show you with it in my mouth, but you get the point. What you do is you use it for a few minutes every day while you're doing something else, and what you end up with is whiter teeth and much noticeably healthier gums. It's got its own timer. It's got 16 red and 16 blue LEDs. You just leave it in for a few minutes while you're listening to something, while you're doing something, and magically your mouth is way healthier than it was before because you changed the bacteria and you changed the gums. And you can go to naturalteethwhiteners.com